Hey, this is Shelly, and I am doing a review of this white Vanity. Okay, no, not white cat, white Vanity. Okay, this is the mirror. This thing's heavy, and it has these where all of the little lights go. Show you that. Okay, I'm going to do it in phases, showing you it being put together. But first, you got to have the hardware. This is the plug-in. These so cool. These are so cool. So excited. Those are the lights. The seat cushion. Wow. Feels nice, like leather. And this is something that this wood is like, it's the most solid I've ever seen these made out of. And this thing is heavy. Heavy. Okay, so we got, let's see, one of these, and I showed you there's like two of these, just to give you a heads up with all the pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Like that. It's 2. Oh, that's one. 2. Like that. And there's this one. And then there's these, you know, several of these things. And we have 2 of those, like this. And these are all numbered. I love it when they're numbered like this. It makes it so easy. And it has instructions, but I'm not going to say if they're good or bad because you really never know till you get started. There's 3 of these. And this one's different than this one. This one will have the plug-in. Okay, just to show you. I tell you, this stuff is heavy. This is some good stuff. But that one has to do with everything screws on it. They're the same size, but they're different. This one has this one. This is a pretty white. It's not off-white, it's white. Okay, just want to show you everything. I like to see everything laid out right up front where I'm doing my stuff. So now I'm going to do it in steps and tell you what they are and then show it at the very end. All right, this is all of the drawers put together. Step is to put these rails on, and there's one rail that's on the back of each. Then those pieces get put together and look like this. Then we attached these boards to it. Now it's looking more solid with the top on. Added these 4 to the top. Now we got the spring, the mirror, the plug. Now the lights are on and it is looking good. Now it's all finished. There's the seat. There's a close-up. A closer up even more of the lights. Not bad. Pretty cool. Hope this video helped you.